And girls, obviously. And I have a special guest on my channel, Jfnrjc from
Hi, and
TikTok.
never say goodbye. And also from TikTok. Country Girl 9209.
Follow us. Mine is Aubrey Contortion, no spaces. So we are showing you guys my slime. All these are mine, but
Yeah. I never hope to make them because I'm like never here.
so this
like I basically live with her.
this first one I'm gonna put Fruit Loops in it. They're yummy and nutritious.
Can I also put some in there?
Yeah. I want this to be filled with it. Sorry if you guys can't see really good because I don't have a camera yet.
You could just do this. Here, I'll fix with it. I'll fix it and then hang on. Hang on, fans.
No, it's the same. No, they need to see the slime.
No. There you go.
So you see, guys and girls, obviously.
Aubrey. Okay. Oh, I was gonna squish it. Aubrey. I got stuff on my hand. And in this line, guys, there you can see there's a lot of foam balls in it.
Fruit Loop Slime 101. Want to make fruit loop slime?
She's my best cousin.
Yeah, she's mine. We're cousins and we're BFFs.
We're like twins.
Michaela Mullins, if you're watching
We're
this, yeah, because we was born on the same day.
Same day, same time, same day. Well, not the same time though.
Yes, but when was you born? Day or night?
I was born at night.
So was I.
Wait, oh, you can't think. We're gonna say it.
1, 2. Oh, 3, 2, 1. 11:33.
How do you know mine?
You guys were twins. They're basically twins. We used to look like when we was a little
My
kids.
dad, her dad and my mom used to date a long time ago. And then,
But then they found out we're cousins.
yeah. Then they found out they're cousins, so they quit dating. So obviously you guys can see that there's unicorns in this.
Here's my Fruit Loop slime, guys.
Aubrey. Every time you squish it.
I think I put way too much Fruit Loops in it, but I like it because look, already watch the squeeze. Come on, like look how pretty this is. Ready?
Yeah. Hey guys, now it's my turn to show
Hold
off
on,
my epic slime.
Let me do a poke. I really poke. Now all the Fruit Loops in. Doesn't it feel so weird? It feels good. Oh, I might be selling some of my slime. I don't have that much.
$145,000. Just
No.
kidding.
You have to comment down below if you want some.
That's Aubrey's 1. This is my number 2. Okay, guys.
I might be selling some of the slimes.
Except not the big one that we have. So hey guys, this is my
This
epic
was
slime.
it. This was it, guys and girls.
So this, I just put epic foam balls in it.
Well, me.
Well, we both did. Like me, you put Fruit Loops in it. I put like crazy foam balls in this.
And then I put the unicorns in it. Where's the lid?
And the unicorns that go with it are right here that Aubrey wanted to put it. I think I like this blue one better. Because my favorite color is blue.
And let me do a poke test.
Here, just want it.
Ashton, they can't hear. They probably hear you.
Comment down below if you hear me. Here, it's like this.
Hold on, I know what I'm doing.
It's like that.
Hold on, I'm doing something else now. Ready?
You could put something behind it. Put something behind it. I still got all my. Give me a little piece.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Hey, Slime. This is my epic slime video I'm doing.
Hold on.
Hang on, guys. Let me fix this real fast.
Look me in the video too.
I know.
It's my phone.
I know. I'm doing an epic slime video first. Okay. So hang on. Hey, you already got to show off one. That's mine. One to show off. So
Well, they're both.
we put
they're all
epic
mine.
slime foam balls in this. I mean, and they stretch.
Hold on, let me get it off my hands.
Hey.
Like, guys, you hear that? It's just so satisfying. I'm showing this one.
No. What? You said I could.
Mm. But I'm already getting the next one out. That's super sticky. I think I might have to put some. Look, it changed the color. It used to be so pretty.
I know, it was like an ugly turquoise.
Mm.
I got 46 pieces around. My mom went to lunch and just gave me it.
Much clear anymore.
I can't make up
I had
with
a
this.
dream that somebody was chasing us, and that there's a bunch of people, and somebody had to win.
Can you hear that?
And whoever won didn't have to be stuck in a cage.
So did we both win?
No, I won. I'm like, can I bring a friend? And he's like, no. I'm like, can I bring a cousin? He's like, no.
Can I bring the best friend in the whole wide world?
Well, we're not best friends. We're best cousins. Because
We're
like,
best friend.
Oh
cousin.
crap! I'm not supposed to be showing you that.
So there's that epic slime. Woo! Comment down below if you liked it.
Now this one.
Okay, that's hers.
I'm
Okay, this is Aub 2. This is Aubrey 2. That's Aubrey 1. This one that she showed off already.
the Fruit Loop one.
This is Ash. This is ASH 1. Ash 1. Collect it.
See,
With the
here's this.
unicorns. Bye.
But we're not selling that one.
Yeah.
We're only selling ones that are not in the video yet. So here's this one because most of these are sticky. It's super clear. It says pretty turquoise.
I'm gonna play with this one while I'm waiting. So
pretty.
this one is not. Wait,
Ready
I'm not
for
even
that?
holding it.
Ready? Listen to the poke. Ashlyn, stop poking yours.
Hey.
It's funny, just won't feel it. Ready? Listen. It's a little sticky. I'll be honest.
Friday night and home alone.
That was that one. Leave a comment down below. This is Aub 2.
AUB.
Aubrey 2. Just call me Bree 2. This is Bree 2.
BREEB.
Bree.
BREE.
This one's Bree 1. Well, actually, this one's Bree 2.
And that one that I did, this is Ash.
This one's Bree
1.
1.
This is Ash
playing with this
1. And this is Ash. Can I show off this off now? My hand, something stuck to my butt. Okay.
Ew, did you have to say that?
Yeah. So this is mine.
Both of us.
But they can't see it.
Yes, I can.
It's like that. Here, let me make it like that. Okay. Okay. So,
I'm playing with
come on, I can take it out.
It's not
Aubrey made this. It's like so party. Hey!
I want to play with it.
Hey, don't put it by your mouth.
I'm not. I'm blowing a bubble.
Okay. So, it's so stretchy. I don't know how she made it.
And pretty. And jiggly.
I know why it's like this now. Because you
What?
put too much Tide in it.
No, it's supposed to be jiggly.
No, not like that. It was like, you know how it's like last time I came, we played with it?
Yeah, because somebody left it out.
Who? Nuh-uh.
Yes.
I closed it.
You left the lid on. I don't play with the slime that much. I play with these. Or I don't play with my slime at all because I'm literally on TikTok all the time.
Or she's going on dates with a
guys, I'm
boyfriend.
gonna put my hair. I'm gonna put it in my hair.
Don't. You have to cut your hair.
Guys, I'm gonna put it in my hair.
Oh, I thought it got stuck.
Guys, I'm gonna put it in my hair. Ew. Guys, I'm gonna put it in my hair. Psych! Hey!
I held your hair later, get stuck in it.
Psych.
I'm gonna put my hair in it.
Psych, bruh. I swear. Don't put it on. She put it on her hair. Hi, guys.
You know what? Hey.
Oh,
Let's see if I can make a bubble with this.
Hold on.
Let's try to make a
Oh,
bubble
can I
with
show
this.
them my bubble with this? I guarantee it's gonna be a fail. Because there's just
Oh, this tape is
already.
spicy.
Guys. So shout out to Cookie Peppers, Colin, Savannah, Everly, and me, and Landon Taylor, and Gavin Cornett, and Boo Sammy Peffley. You're mean to me.
Watch me go. Show. Watch.
You're jerk face.
Is DC Ball ready to deal?
She's a jerk face, Sammy, Pesley.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try making a bubble.
Mm.
We're gonna take a bubble test. We're gonna try making
Alright,
bubbles.
guys, look. This is what my friends do in class. Hold on. It's rock and roll. That's what people say.
This is rock and roll.
I know people call it this. I don't do that. I don't do it. I just saw it in class today. I'm like,
Can you guys hear this? Can you guys hear this? Tanner? Shh. Hey!
Guys, do you want me to dye the slime yellow?
No.
3, 2, 1, go. For 5 minutes. Count to 5 minutes.
2. We'll just set a 5-minute timer.
No, I can't.
Watch out, watch out. Watch it beat 15, okay?
You. No.
Let's beat 15.
You, because I'm doing this.
I'm watching until it goes 15. It's turning yellow.
Ew, it's so ugly.
We're gonna sell that one.
We might. But it might be a pretty color, actually.
Put like highlight streaks in it.
Shout out to Tanya on TikTok. Tanya Bishop.
Don't tell her last name. Anyone could hack us.
I mean, they're... Ew, she just farted. Evan Tyler, she just farted.
He's watching. He's never on YouTube.
Guys, you saw Ashlyn. She's a farter. Has it been 15 minutes yet? Has it been 15
only been 11. Now it's been 12. It's only been 2 minutes.
This is so hard. It's hard because this yellow fades in the blue. It's so
Right.
pretty. Do not.
What? Do not what? Hey. Do not what?
Face the mercury.
I'm farting by. I'm a fart by your door.
Fart outside. Don't fart at all.
Okay, I just did it.
You fart at my dad.
I know. Do you dare me?
Yeah. Oh, guys, tomorrow we're doing a morning routine, maybe.
I thought I got my hair. What happens if I didn't get in my hair?
Dad!
My eyes are flashing before my eyes.
That was my dad, everybody.
Feel my heart.
I'm still doing this. Feel mine. Our hearts are
Mine's
beating.
doing like blah, 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 blah.
So is mine.
This is how heart's supposed to be like. This is not how my heart's be like.
This is not mine. We're such a weirdo.
No, duh.
Okay, the slime is
Yum.
done. This is finally what it looks like. Eelish, bluish,
Yellowish.
yellowish,
Yellow. No, what's yellow and blue? Yellow.
yellow. It's yellow.
Oh, you're. I thought I seen hair in it.
Already listen to this. See all the Fruit Loops? Right. We're covered inside. Ready? Come on. Sorry, that's my dad in the background. So, thank you for watching, guys and girls.
What's up?
Bye, y'all. Bye.
Nice.